Hey crew! Alright, today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at page 178 in your language to begin with this morning. It's another cold morning and lots more snow we had yesterday. That's exciting. So take some time to get outside and play in it, help mom and dad shovel out the sidewalks and all that kind of good stuff. But for now, if you're watching this video, we're going to take a look at 178 in your language. And what this is a review of possessive nouns. Okay, it's been a while since we've looked at this, except on our drop sheet. The big thing I want you to see is, in the sentences up at the top, we can tell which words show possession, but down at the bottom it gives you lists that say one or more than one. And what they're saying is some possessive nouns are possessive nouns that look like this. For instance, up at the top, we have possessive nouns that look like this. Bikes. And we know that this means there is one bike that has a tire, okay? Because the apostrophe S tells us that that bike has a tire, okay? The tire belongs to this bike. So at the top, you're going to draw a circle around the word bikes. But because the apostrophe here comes before the S, it's one bike that has a tire that's flat. Now the second sentence, it says, we laughed at the seal's tricks. Now, again, I see these are the tricks that these seals are doing. Therefore, I'm going to circle seals. However, notice where the apostrophe is. This isn't a mistake. If you remember, this just means there's more than one seal that is doing the tricks. And so the apostrophe goes after because seals means more than one seal, but the apostrophe tells us they're the tricks that these seals are doing. Now, this is important to note because as you're writing and you're talking about more than one, whether it's more than one seal, more than one student, more than one parent, more than one house, that apostrophe has to go after the S to show that you're talking about more than one of those things. If it's only one, like the bike here, or say I'm just talking about my house, just one house, or my sister, my one sister, then I need to go apostrophe S to show that it's only one of these things I'm talking about. So after you get done circling all of the possessive nouns in the sentences up at the top, then down at the bottom, it says this, one, and then it has lines underneath like so, and then it has more than one, and it has lines below that. Now, we're not talking about the tire and the tricks. You're not going to write down trick over here, or a tire over here, and tricks over here. We're actually looking at the words you circled. So, bikes, since it's apostrophe S, that means there's one bike. Apostrophe S, only one of them. So, bike would go over here. Bikes. Seals, since the apostrophe comes after the S, that tells me there's more than one seal, so we would write seals, apostrophe, over here. The apostrophe is going to give you a pretty good clue as to which part these go under. Apostrophe comes before the S, that tells you there's one of them. Apostrophe comes after the S, that tells you that there is more than one. Okay? So sentences above, circle the word that's showing possession with the apostrophe S or S apostrophe. Down at the bottom, write the ones that mean one thing is owning something. Write the ones more than one thing. Alrighty? Okay, just want to do this because this is kind of a review, something we haven't done for a while, so to make sure we're doing it. Got it? Awesome. Finish this one up, and I'll catch you later.